skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I have a special treat, especially for all of those left-handed skaters out there. We have a coach here at Skate Town who rotates clockwise, and I grabbed her for a video today. Sam, come on in here.
Hi, everyone.
This is Sam. She is amazing because she actually rotates clockwise, but teaches so many counterclockwise rotating skaters. I have seen you do a Lutz both ways.
Yep.
Amazing. So impressed. But what we're going to do today for you is I'm going to do the jumps going my way, which is going to be counterclockwise, which is the standard for most right-handed people. And then Sam is going to do them her way, clockwise, which is standard for most left-handed people. Now, you guys always call me out that you might do it differently. That's fine. Just know, I'm counterclockwise, Sam is clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Okay, so I'm going to just start at the bottom, which is, I would say, a Salchow. Unless you want to show a Waltz jump.
No, whatever you like.
Let's just start with, let's do a Waltz jump. There's plenty of people who need to see that. So I will do it first. I'm going to use this hockey circle. My mind stopped. I couldn't remember what hockey was. All right, so when I do a Waltz jump, I will set up with left over right crossovers, turn to my left. I'm going to jump from my left to my right and land on my right back outside edge. That's my way.
Yep.
Let's see Sam.
And my way, I start going right over left, backward crossovers, push backwards on my left foot, open up to step to my right, jump up, land on my left.
Awesome. So that's your Waltz jump. Now our Salchows are, for me, I set up the same way as a Waltz jump. Mm-hmm. You do the same?
I do too.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to do my Salchow. We're going to go to the same circle, and I'm going to do my crossovers the same direction. So it's going to be left over right. I'm going to look towards my left shoulder. It's going to be a left forward outside 3 turn. Bring my right around and land backwards on my right back outside edge. So that is my counterclockwise Salchow. Your turn.
My clockwise Salchow, same entry, right over left backward crossovers, push backwards onto my left, open up, right outside 3 turn, hold, go around, land on my left outside edge.
All right, so next is the toe loop. Mm-hmm. I do my toe loop from a inside 3 turn. Mm-hmm. Do you do it from a inside?
I do it both ways, so I can do the toe loop or the toe wally.
Ooh, well, let's go with toe loop. I love that you're giving me options here.
I know.
I mean, I could do a toe wally also, but like the toe loop is part of the standard multi-rotation jump repertoire. Okay, so I'm going to do my toe loop. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to go forward towards you this way.
Perfect.
So I'm going to do mine from a right inside 3 turn. I'm going to give myself a little step first. So left inside edge, right inside 3 turn. I'm going to tap with my left, jump off my outside edge, and I'm going back to my right outside edge. Let me do that one more time because that's a lot of footwork in one motion. Okay. Left inside, right inside to outside, tap, right outside to right outside. So that is my counterclockwise toe loop.
Awesome. And then my clockwise toe loop, I'm going to do same entry, so a right forward inside edge to prepare, left forward inside 3 turn, tap up, land backwards on my left foot.
Okay, now we're gonna move on. I would say that the next one would be the loop.
I agree.
Yeah? Okay, good. That's usually the order that I teach it in would be Salchow, toe loop, loop, flip, Lutz.
Yep.
And we're not going to do axles today.
No, not today.
Not today. I'll leave that for Paolo sometime. I'll
Yes.
get him to come in and Paolo will do axles for me.
Amazing.
Okay, so I'm going to do mine from crossovers. It's the same direction I did the Waltz jump and the Salchow. So we're going to go around this circle. I'm again going to do left over right crossovers. I'm going to set up with most of my weight on my right back outside edge. I'm going to press, rotate, and I'm landing, woo, on my right back outside edge.
Awesome. And I'm going to do the same way for me. So right over left, backward crossovers, preparing and sitting back on my left side, going around, and landing backwards on my left outside edge.
All right, now we're getting to what was always my favorite jump, the flip jump. I still remember my coach. Did you ever skate at Iceland?
I did.
Back, there was a set of windows,
Uh-huh.
and my coach used to tell me to jump through the windows.
I think I remember that too.
Yes, I still visualize those
Jump
windows.
over the boards, through the windows.
So you can just know that when I do this flip, that's what I'm imagining. I'm jumping out of the rink through the windows. Okay, so I'm going to do my version, my counterclockwise version. I'm going to set up on my left inside edge, and then I'm going to push to my left outside edge for a 3-turn, tap with my right, and I'm going to land on my right back outside edge. And that's my counterclockwise flip. Are you ready?
Awesome. Same thing, preparing a little bit on my right foot, and then I switch over to my 3-turn, tap up and around, backwards on my left.
Okay, final one for the day.
Yes.
We're gonna do our Lutz, which was always my scariest jump, but it's all right, we grow,
Yeah.
we get better.
It's great. It used to be my scariest, and then it became my favorite double.
Really?
Yeah.
There's hope. There's hope
There's
for
hope
everybody.
for everything.
Your scariest thing can become your best thing.
Yep,
I
for
love
sure.
that. Okay, so do you do it from back crossovers to an outside edge, or do
Yes.
you one of these fancy new entries?
No fancy crosses or anything like that.
Okay. I love seeing all of the new entries to Lutz's, but I still do it just the way we all used to do it.
Tried
which
and
is
true.
Tried and true. So for this one, I'm going to do a right over left crossover. It's the only one I do right over left. I'm going to stand on my left back outside edge, reach with my right, and land on my right back outside edge.
So I'm going to go opposite crossovers. So my left over right, backward crossovers, going to set up and stretch back on my right outside edge, tap, and land backwards on my left foot.
Thank you so much. This has been so much fun. I know that they are going to love getting to see all of those jumps going both ways. As soon as I realized that you were left-handed, I was like, I need to take advantage because there's people who are going to want to see this.
Yeah. Thank you for having me.
you know what? We should do it again. We'll do it with spins sometime.
Yes,
there we
I
go.
love that.
All right, if you enjoyed this video, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I'm looking forward to reading all your comments in that section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and we'll see you next time.